Shifting focus across to Ranchi, where there is high drama which is playing out. Remember, the ABVP and the BJP today had called for a statewide bandh after what they allege was police excesses against the students who were protesting towards the Vidhan Sabha. Now ABV workers are being detained, being whisked away while they were staging a protest outside the Jharkhand Assembly. The visuals there are of earlier, where you can see the ABVP workers being protesting, and these are the shots of them being detained. This is how, and the moment when ABVP workers were detained by the Ranchi police, and you can see them being pushed into the bus and then being whisked away. Remember, today is the 18th day of the Jharkhand protest. The student leaders of ABVP have now been protests. Yesterday, of course, there was high drama as well when barricades were breached, and the BJP has been alleging since then that there was atrocities committed, tear gas which was lobbed and lathis which rained along with water cannons on the protesting students, and hence they demand accountability of Rahul Gandhi and the Congress government along with Jharkhand's JMM. In fact, let me go across to Dev Kotak, who's joining us with all the details coming in. Dev, what's happening around you? I believe the ABVP workers have been detained. Have they been taken away? What's happening on the ground? Dave, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. The ABVP workers have been detained. However, the BJP held two protests themselves, one with the party workers and the other with the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha at two different key locations. The ABVP protest was initially planned from the route march was supposed to be from the old Vidhan Sabha building to the new one, which is what the Reform Munch protesters had also followed yesterday. However, the security on that route continues to remain because the session is currently underway, and the VIPs and the ministers use that very route to reach the building, which is why yesterday late night incidents of lathi charge also took place. The police had to somehow clear out the entire area, otherwise these protesters would not have allowed the cars of politicians, ministers also to go inside. They had in fact geared out the gate number 1, which late night around 9 p.m. Between 9 and 10 p.m. rather, the Jharkhand police was successful in removing all of them at that point in time. But as far as today is concerned, the political activity has intensified. Not just the BJP and the ABVP. Not only are they angry at Hemant Soren and his government for raining lathis on the innocent children, but they are also questioning why the Congress government is being so corrupt and such a thief, especially calling Rahul Gandhi a thief and saying that he must be receiving something in return to not react. In fact, I am here at the Jaipal Singh Munda Stadium ground also, which was the original designated protest site. The students also, on the first day Times Now team reached it, they also asked very innocently that if Rahul Gandhi can go everywhere, then why can't he come and stand or sit in solidarity with us? In fact, they wanted to meet him as well, and this is what they have been saying. But however, out here you can see that there, irrespective of the political activity or the slugfest between parties or whether it is the administration, their spirit is not broken at all, and they are still very much here. You can see the number of people that have come from Bihar and several other states of India to support the students who are sitting out here. At least 3 more students out here are on a fast until death. Meanwhile, the fourth one, Rahul Kranti, continues to be in hospital.
Well, 3 more students are on fast until death. Yesterday, remember, Mato was rushed to the hospital after his condition deteriorated. And what we have is ABVP workers being detained, being whisked away. However, very interestingly, despite what happened yesterday, despite the visuals which are coming in, Hemant Soren, the chief minister, has come out and said that the entire situation was handled delicately in the right manner. So they still stand by it.
Well, I mean, the police can continue to claim delicate and things like these, but there are students who have suffered injuries. In fact, we saw a few students and even we shared visuals of students who had their skulls split open. They were bleeding profusely, with others suffering injuries on their elbows, bruises on their legs and ankles. So there have been injuries to the students and the protesters as well who were protesting. So the police can claim while they have not gone all out, the extent of injuries still continues to remain amongst the students and the protesters who were present yesterday.
Well, Hemant Soren, remember, has appealed for calm amongst the protests. In fact, many reactions have been coming in. Let's get you some of those.
देखिए, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग या इनका यूथ विंग जो है, जब जंतर मंतर पे ब्रूटली उनको मारा जा रहा था, तब क्या इनके सांप सूंघ गया था? एक छोटे से लेकर के बड़ा तक मंत्री या विधायक या सांसद या कोई भी एक भारतीय जनता पार्टी का नेता उनका दुख दर्द बांटने गया हो तो बताएं। आज उनको रानीत नजर आ रही है। भाई, हमने तो कहा है कि जिन भी छात्रों की जो भी जायज मांगे, उन मांगों को जो है वहां की सरकार, झारखंड की सरकार उसको पूरा करने का काम करेगी, लेकिन उसमें कोई राजनीतिकरण ना किया जाए। आपने देखा होगा वहां पर जिस तरीके से ब्रूटली जंतर मंतर पर उनके ऊपर लाठीचार्ज हुआ, उनको मारने का काम किया गया, उनको दौड़ाया गया, उनके प्रोटेस्ट को तितर बितर करने का काम किया।
यही तो चेहरा है डबल स्टैंडर्ड। राहुल गांधी को कौन नहीं पहचानता उनके डबल स्टैंडर्ड के लिए? जो कल बर्बरता हुई, जो लाठीचार्ज हुआ, जो दमनात्मक कार्रवाई झारखंड की पुलिस ने किया हेमंत सोरेन के आदेश पे, हद हो गई। बच्चे न्याय मांगने गए थे। ये फिल्म जगत के कोई लोग हैं जो कहां कौन कौन लोग गए थे? नसरुद्दीन शाह जी, सबाना आदमी दीदी जी, वो भी नहीं। क्या वो आदिवासी बच्चे आदिवासी क्षेत्र इसलिए नहीं जा रहे हो?
छात्रों पर हम बाल बच्चों जो लाठियां चलाई सरकार ने,
और वो भी अंधेरे
जो अन्याय अत्याचार किया, अंधेरे में 4-4 बार लाठियां चलाई है। आज उनके समर्थन में हम उतरने का काम किए हैं और हमारे पूरे राज्य में हमारे कार्यकर्ता, हमारे सिपाही सड़कों पर उतर करके इस राज को ठप करने का काम कर रहा है।
सर, ये झारखंड बंद का जो ऐलान किया गया है वो रांची में भी देखने मिल रहा है कि सारी दुकान के शटर डाउन किए गए हैं।
तो निश्चित रूप से स्वतः बंद है। स्वतः अन्याय अत्याचार जब होता है, जुल्म ढाए जाते हैं, तो लोग स्वतः सड़कों पर उतर करके उसके विरोध में आने का काम करते हैं।
सर, कांग्रेस इस मुद्दे पर एकदम ही चुप है। सीजेपी प्रोटेस्ट के दौरान बहुत
माल खाया तो चुप नहीं रहेगा। राहुल गांधी काहे नहीं आ रहे हैं झारखंड? प्रयागराज जा रहे हैं, शर्म लग रहा है आने में।
माननीय मुख्यमंत्री हेमंत सोरेन जी की पूरी सहानुभूति छात्रों के साथ है और दिल्ली में तो 25 से लेकर 35 दिन तक यहाँ की सरकार छात्रों से वार्ता करने नहीं गई थी, लेकिन हमारी सरकार ने मंत्रियों को भेजा उनसे वार्ता करने और 98% मांगों को मान लिया गया है सरकार द्वारा। और उन मंत्रियों में मैं आपको बता दूं कि जेएमएम के मंत्री, कांग्रेस के मंत्री और आरजेडी के मंत्री शामिल है, क्योंकि वहां सरकार इन तीनों के गठबंधन की है। तो आप कैसे कह सकते हैं कि विपक्ष नहीं गया?
लाठीचार्ज के ऊपर
मैं आपको बताऊं, लाठीचार्ज अब मैं बता रही हूँ कि दिल्ली में एक बैरिकेड छात्रों ने तोड़ा था, तो यहाँ पर उन पर लाठी चलाए गए, उन पर आंसू गैस के गोले छोड़े गए, पैलेट गन छोड़ा गया। लेकिन झारखंड में आप बताओ 8 बैरिकेड तोड़ा छात्रों ने।
Well, as the high street drama escalates in Ranchi, the political sparks, of course, now has spread all the way across to Jharkhand that we are getting for you across the entire state. The BJP is observing a statewide bandh, as I was telling you. Of course, now you also have the ABVP student leaders being detained. However, now BJP has hit back, the Congress and its allies have hit back, calling the bandh as sheer desperation of the BJP. Listen in.
Amidst the ongoing Jharkhand Bandh, which has been declared by the state BJP unit, there are several BJP workers and also from the Yuva Morcha who are present out here, who are following the calls and also calling Hemant Soren General Dyer after he ordered lathi charge on the protesting aspirants yesterday. Several were injured and most of them have questioned why the children were attacked in the night and in the after dark hours.
नौकरी चोर है,
नौकरी चोर है,
नौकरी चोर है, परीक्षा चोर है, परीक्षा का पेपर चोर है। हेमंत सोरेन चोर नहीं है, पति पत्नी दोनों चोर है।
उन्होंने कल बच्चों पे लाठी चार्ज भी करवाया।
ये बहुत गंदा काम किया है। अभी पूरा इंडिया में ऐसा शांतिपूर्ण बच्चों द्वारा प्रदर्शन कहीं नहीं हुआ है जो हम लोग का झारखंड एक मिसाल काम किया है। और उसके बीच में ये गद्दार सरकार ने हमारे छात्रों के ऊपर, हमारे बच्चों के ऊपर लाठीचार्ज करवाया।
These BJP workers are protesting and calling Hemant Soren a thief and a corrupt person for ordering lathi charge on innocent children, especially a day before when they had promised that no student would be injured or would be attacked in the process.
Students versus Sarkar. This continues to be the ongoing and top focus story right here on Times Now. With that, I wrap up. Setting the agenda. I'll see you again tomorrow, 12 noon, right here on Times Now.